was always my dream to travel through India, seeing the endless desert of Rajasthan, the ancient temples of Hampi, the busy streets of Varanasi, and the beautiful beaches of Goa. Well, finally, my dream became true. I started my trip in the very south of India, in the vibrant city of Bangalore. Staying at the apartment of my friend Agastya, I had such an epic time here. After hanging out in Bangalore for a couple of weeks, my journey led me to the small village Hampi. Exploring all these ancient temples, being in good company of thousands of monkeys, was just so much fun. I arrived in Goa, which is famous for all these beautiful, flawless beaches. Although my favorite part was meeting all these different travelers from basically all over the world, just like this cool guy, Krishore. Together with him, I went on some dope adventures discovering the outback of Goa. As soon as I got to Rajasthan, my friend Johannes joined me. Our first stop here was the beautiful pink city Jaipur. After a couple days in the Pink City and a long train ride, we arrived in Jaisalmer, where we went on a camel safari. Standing right in front of it, the Taj Mahal looks even more enormous and impressive than in all those pictures, slowly coming out the fog. Varanasi was different from everything I've ever seen before. It is a holy place. You can see that in every face when you walk along the Ganges river. You can feel it in every breath you take from the polluted air. Even though it was quite exhausting, we really enjoyed our stay here. After 1 month of traveling together with Johannes, he had to return. But my friend Siri spontaneously decided to fly over and join me for the rest of my journey. So we went to the very north of India, to Rishikesh. Well, in the end, I'm just so grateful for all these experiences. So happy to meet all those people. And I'm already dreaming of my next journey.